This is a very interesting development. It sounds like the AI chip war is heating up as Google's TPUs officially challenge Nvidia's long-standing dominance. With Meta negotiating a massive deal for Google's silicon, Nvidia has already lost billions in market value. But the GPU giant is fighting back with new architecture, claiming their tech remains a full generation ahead. Let's dive into this massive tech showdown to see who really holds the power in the future of AI. Nvidia, historically the dominant player and sole proprietor in the design and ownership of high-performance AI chips, is now facing a substantial challenge. The news surrounding Google's advancements has reportedly led to a significant impact on Nvidia's valuation, with the company seeing a market value decline of over $200 billion. This comes at a time when a hypothetical competitor of that scale, as the world's largest company with a $4.5 trillion market cap, is losing value and power to tech giant Google. Google's rising power with TPUs. Google is solidifying its position in the AI hardware race by leveraging its internally designed tensor processing units, or TPUs. These AI chips are currently being utilized for Google's own AI and cloud functions, notably powering its advanced Gemini models. Industry-wide adoption. The adoption of Google's chip technology by other tech giants signals a potential turning point in the industry's reliance on Nvidia. Meta, Facebook's parent company, is reportedly in negotiations to make a multi-billion-dollar investment in using Google's AI chips within its own data centers, with implementation possibly beginning in 2027. This development highlights the growing industrial confidence in the viability and performance of Google's proprietary AI silicon. Google's latest TPUs are notably faster and more energy efficient than previous generations. These chips are designed to support large-scale AI model training, capable of connecting thousands of units into massive superpods for immense processing power. Quantum leap. In a strategic move to future-proof their technology, Google has acquired Atlantic Quantum. This acquisition aims to advance their quantum chip efforts, specifically focusing on scaling processors for future fault-tolerant quantum computing. We will discuss this in more detail in a later video. Nvidia counter strategy. On the other side of the ring, Nvidia is not standing still. Recent news highlights their plans to release a new AI chip, the Rubin CPX, by the end of next year. This chip is specifically engineered to handle complex workloads, such as high-fidelity video creation and automated software generation. The China market strategy. Despite ongoing regulatory challenges, Nvidia is developing specialized AI chips for the Chinese market based on its cutting-edge Blackwell architecture. Reports indicate they are working on a powerful new chip expected to significantly outperform current compliant models like the H2O. Nvidia responded to increased competition from Google's tensor processing units, or TPUs, particularly following reports that major tech companies like Meta and OpenAI were considering or already using Google's chips. Nvidia's response emphasized its continued market leadership and the superior versatility of its GPUs compared to Google's application-specific integrated circuits. Nvidia response to Google Gemini 3 event. It delighted with Google's success. It publicly stated it was pleased with Google's AI advancements and noted it continues to supply chips to Google, positioning the competition as a sign of a growing overall AI market rather than a zero-sum game. It highlighted that its GPU platform offers broader performance and flexibility, able to run every AI model across various computing environments, cloud, on-premise, and edge. TPUs are custom-built for specific optimized workloads, making them less adaptable to rapidly changing AI models and frameworks. A generation ahead. Nvidia reiterated that its platform, supported by a mature software ecosystem, remains a full generation ahead of the industry in performance and capability. Market reassurance. The public statements, made on social platforms like X, were seen by analysts as a move to calm investors and defend its dominant market position after news of Meta considering Google's TPUs caused a dip in Nvidia stock. We will see in future who will win the AI race.